Ciao, I'm Chiara and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a very nice and easy scarf or infinity scarf if you want to sew the two ends together. For this project I use Emozione yarn by Mondial. You can find more information in the info box below, and G or 4mm hook. Okay, now we are going to start with a foundation chain, and this foundation chain need to be in a multiple of 10 plus 4. So I'm going to chain 44. Now one double crochet in the 5th chain from hook. And one double crochet in the next. Now skip 2 and V-stitch in the 3rd. V-stitch means one double crochet, chain 3 and one double crochet. Skip 2 chains again and 5 double crochet in the next 5 chains. Now skip 2 chains and V-stitch again. V-stitch, one double crochet, chain 3 and one double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2 and repeat again 5 double crochet. So go ahead and repeat this sequence. Skip the last 2 chains and 3 double crochet to complete this row. This is row 1, a V-stitch row. For row 2, chain 3 and turn your work. Chain 3 is the first double crochet, and one double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And now 5 double crochet into the V-stitch, into the chain 3 space of the previous row. And now one double crochet in the next 5 stitches. And 5 double crochet into the V-stitch again. So repeat this sequence. Be sure to work the last 3 stitches, because sometimes it's hard to see the last chain. Okay, row 2 is complete. Now we're going to repeat these 2 rows. So let's make the same. The only difference is that the first row we create a V-stitch and in the second row we create a fan stitch. So chain 3 and turn your work and 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And now V-stitch in the middle of the fan stitch in the third double crochet. So here V-stitch means 1 double crochet, chain 3 and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. And V-stitch in the middle of the fan stitch or in the third double crochet of the previous row. So go ahead until the end of this row. Now we are going to repeating the second row, the fan stitch row. So chain 3 and turn. Remember, chain 3 is the first double crochet. 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now 5 double crochet into the V-stitch. So go ahead until the end of this row and let's repeat these 2 rows together until your project measure about 150 centimeters long. So let's go ahead and complete our scarf. Okay, now we are ready to cut the yarn. And leave a long tail if you want to sew the 2 ends together and make an infinity scarf. Look, this beautiful shade of colors. Now my scarf is 150 centimeters long and 17 centimeters wide. Now you have to choose if you want a simple scarf like this or create an infinity scarf and sew the 2 parts together. So for infinity scarf, fold the 2 ends together, put some clips to keep the parts and sew it. Okay, now make a knot and hide the yarn. Okay, now we are ready to turn the work and the Infinite Emozione is now complete. I love this beautiful shade of color, and I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. As you can see, this is a very easy project, great for beginner. I hope that was pretty easy for you. So let me know in the comments down below. So thank you for watching, grazie, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!